trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, Mr. Buffett, you have lost $10 million today. Do you know what he said? He said, I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold. Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly.
Are you ready to trade your edge? Introducing our obsession, our ambition, our commitment to guide your training and support your success. Introducing a capital allocation program where we fund you to trade without charging a registration fee. Join Axie Select, improve your trading performance with our unique Edge score, and get funded up to $1 million to become a pro trader. Gain a competitive edge by enjoying a program with unrestricted trading conditions that empowers you to reach your full potential and succeed. Track your progress, monitor your trades, and perfect your trading approach with our comprehensive dashboard, offering advanced analytics and in-depth statistics. Gain access to an exclusive online trading room with live analysis sessions and educational videos, and communicate with other experienced traders and mentors. How confident are we of our groundbreaking new program? Confident enough to give traders like you up to $1 million of our funds to manage. Confident enough to give traders like you up to 90% of the profits from your trading. Axie's commitment to innovation, excellence, and success has been recognized since 2007. Over 30 prestigious industry awards granted to the Axie Group of companies. Operating globally while strictly following industry best practices to provide you with a secure trading environment. And proud sponsors of English Football Club, Premier League champions, and treble winners Manchester City, Manchester City Women's Football Team, Brazilian Football Club Esporte Club Bahia, and Spanish Football Club Girona Football Club. Unlock your full potential with Axie Select and master the art of professional trading. Trade your edge. Trade with Axie Select.
All right, are we good to go?
Yes, good evening, Mr. Kukwala, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Before we move to today's event, I will apologize sincerely to every one of us that I called the meeting earlier than the scheduled time. I'm very sorry, please, because time is very, very important to me as well. I don't like wasting people's time. So tonight, our presenter is Mr. Kukwala from Nigeria. I'm going to make him.
But if you all the last one I put for page and back on it, go and remove it. But whatever, go and remove it.
I would need to move the class to him going forward. Then, Mr. Popola, please let me quickly make you the host so that we don't waste much time. So you are the host now, Mr. Popola.
All right. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. Let's see. Today is another great opportunity for us to look at the opportunities that we all have together. And I want to thank the top coach here, Mr. Folarin, who has given this privilege, this platform for us to look at this wonderful opportunity. So, ladies and gentlemen, I love you to celebrate yourself, because for you, you know, there's something that we talk about when it comes to success. We say success. There's a formula, one of the formulas we use for success. We say success is P. If somebody is writing down, just take notes. P plus T times A raised to power 2. P plus T times A raised to power 2. What does P stand for? P stands for your passion. Okay. Yeah, I think it's been recorded already. Yeah. What does P stand for? P stands for passion. Then you have T. T stands for talent. At times we say it's time. Your passion, your talent, or your time. I always prefer to use time than talent. Then times A. The first A, you know, we say A raised to power 2. We are not in a mathematics class. Leave mathematics for Mr. Folarin. A, the first A stands for association, and the last A stands for action. Now, when you talk about your passion, Mr. King, can you please mute your mic?
I think when somebody, I need to remove them.
No, don't worry, don't remove. I'm gonna mute everybody. Don't remove it. I'll mute it. Okay. All right. I think we're fine. So when we talk about the P, the first P is passion. What are you passionate about? What is it that you love to do? What is it that you want to do even when you are not being paid? Your passion. Then T, it stands for talent. I always juxtapose it, take it between talent and time. You say every man has a seed of greatness inside of him. And when you try to look at it in the place of time, you see, he said, the race is not for the swift, neither the battle for the strong, nor bread for the wise. He said, but time and chance. Time and we use the word chance. Chance is the same thing as opportunity. So time, you could be at the right time, you could be on time, but you don't have the opportunity. Others have the opportunity, but they don't have the time. So for you to be successful is not a function of how wise you are. You say the wise bread is not for the wise people. Oh, that guy, how many first class persons in your class are truly in the right class right now? Are you there? So bread is not for the wise. And that you are strong does not mean, see, many of you, you have worked hard. You've really, really, really worked hard. But no show for showroom, no tata for yanya. You just, and everything seems as if, why are things like this? Time and chance. What time is it for you now? And I can tell you that you are on this call is a good time for you. A good time because you are in an era where everybody or most persons are moving to the use of what we call artificial intelligence. What you are hearing now and the opportunity you have, people that joined the trading world before you, many of them never had this opportunity. It's not that there were no bots, there were no EAs, but there were EAs that people just make and put into the market just to make their own money and then get out. But here, you are in a time and the opportunity for you to harness. Now, it now depends on you. Now, the A, I said the A stands for what? Association. Association. Who are you associating with in your journey to wealth? They say birds of the same feather flock together. So who are those people that you are associating with? That, thank God, you are in this group. And I want you to make the best out of it. Now, the last one is action. You have to take action. You can have the passion, you have the time, you are in the right opportunity, you are in the right association, just like many of us, we are in the group. But register, you are not registering, you just want to watch, hear testimonies, put thumbs up and everything. You are not taking action. One single action is better than a million intention. I will do it. I am going to do it. You never get to do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, in this era in which we are, can we begin to take action? Just as introduced, my name is Olushola Popola, a chartered accountant, investment advisor, and also a life coach. And today I'll be talking to us on the rare opportunity that we have in this time. We have something, I don't want to go, but by the way, let's do something quickly. Let me just confirm something. Let me just confirm something, please. How many of us, this is your first time of attending this, this call. This is your first time of being on this call. Can you just put a 555 in the chat box, please? If this is your first time, I just want to know the trajectory so that I can know where I'm directing my discussions. Okay, awesome. Wow. Okay, I have got some new persons. For the sake of these new persons, we're going to go. Don't let me follow the other road again. So Moses, you're welcome. Wealth, you are welcome. Okay, you are welcome. You are welcome. I celebrate you all. Thanks. You are just on time. You are just in the right place and at the right time. Okay. So we're going to be looking at the opportunities that we have. But before we do that, I want us to just quickly look at one video clip. Do you understand? I wanted to play a whole lot of it, but I discovered that the audio was not as fantastic as I actually thought it's going to be. But then let's just try to pay attention here, guys. To this interview of a 21-year-old that is doing great in this field. Let's listen.
Hi everyone, my name is Kyan and I'm a prop trader with Axie.
Oh, wonderful. And where are you coming to us from right now, Cayenne?
Right now I'm live from Sao Paulo, Brazil.
Sao Paulo, Brazil. Looks beautiful out there right now. You know, what I really love about Cayenne is the fact that he is one of the youngest prop traders that I have ever spoken to. How old are you, Cayenne?
I just turned 22.
Please, if it is audible at your end, just type yes in the chat box, please. If it is audible at your end, type yes.
Trading when he was 21, which is a very, very young age to get started, and an age that many people are just learning about prop trading at these days. And Cayenne, how much did you start trading with? How much did you put into your Axie Select account?
Well, to begin with, I only had $500, which is the minimum amount you need to have in order to start trading in the seed stage. And then, of course, you can scale this up to, well...
Think about that, guys. Cayenne started with $500 in his Axie Select account, which is the minimum. And now he's funded with $500,000, and he's in the Pro 500 stage, which is unbelievable. How long did this take you, Cayenne?
It took me around 9 months of consistent trading, and it's crazy to think that just within less than a year, I was able to do that. But yeah, 9 months.
So think about that. Think about how, Cayenne started trading with Axie Select when he was 21. He's 22 right now. He started with $500, which is the minimum. And in 9 months, he's funded with $500,000. And, I believe that in order to receive this funding, especially with a company with Axie Select, consistency is really key. It's not about, hitting that one big trade or that two big trades. With any of these prop firms, in Axie Select included, you have to be consistent. and you have to be able to show them day in and day out that you can make these profits in order to reach this Pro 500 stage. So we're going to talk to Cayenne today, learn a little bit about how he got into trading, why he got into trading at such a young age, and a little bit about how he's trading and his trading strategy today. So let's start by talking about, how did you get into trading, Cayenne?
Well, I started by, I was studying chemistry at the time, and I had some money left over, and I was wondering what I should do with it, because of course, money runs out eventually. So unless you're investing it or putting it into something that's gonna give you money, then it's gonna run out at some point. And I didn't have much to begin with. I think I had around $2,000 or something like that, but I just needed to start doing something with the money. And fortunately, one of my childhood best friends, he really got into quantitative trading, which basically means trading with the use of statistics and the use of not just logic, but maths and calculations. And I really got into that. I don't want to brag, but I'm pretty smart. I was doing chemistry at university, and what I did at the same time I was studying university, I was also doing my best to learn quantitative trading. And I did put uni aside. I set it aside. I focused on bots exclusively, which is what I trade with, trading bots. And it's safe to say that's finally paid off.
So were you 18, 19 at the time when you first learned about trading, or was it closer to graduation?
I think the first time I heard about trading, I was 20.
Okay.
But it was only when I was 21 that I really started to get into the trading with bots and quantitative trading part of the market. And it was only starting from last year that I started trading with bot firms.
So from start to present, it's only really, it sounds like it's been maybe 2 years maximum, probably close to a year and change, that you went from not knowing anything about trading to becoming, such a successful funded trader. Am I correct?
That is correct, indeed.
There you go. How many of our own citizens, all right, ones can we teach in this line? All right. Sorry, please. Let me just. Okay. Yeah, I played that, and I wanted us to pick some great things there, especially for those of us that are, you've been on the call, you've been in this group, you've been seeing the posts and things. That young chap, a 21-year-old guy, and he started trading. The important thing I want you to see there, he said he started with this arithmetic algorithms and things. In short, he was talking about trading with bots. That's what, because I wanted to think, oh, this young man, is he so intelligent? Some of us have been trading for a long time, we've not achieved this kind of success. How is this young man achieving the kind of success he's achieving? He said he's trading with bots. And I want to tell you that for you that you're going to, so that means he's not taxing his head too much. He has automated the process. You see the young generations that we have today, they don't have time to come and sit down in front of computer and be doing pressing like this. They want to automate everything. So if you are here and you are thinking, how am I going to add this thing to my time, to my schedule? I want to tell you, don't worry. What we have here is going to take care of you. It's going to help you a great deal. If you are ready for it, can you just type 777 in the chat box, please? Let me know that you are ready, you're excited about this. What you want to get tonight, put it there, put it. I need your full attention. So I'll be asking you to, awesome. Thank you very much. Yes, I always love to know that you are with me and we are together on this. Thank you very much. Okay, now let me go quickly into this great opportunity. You know, I said the right time and the right opportunity. There are some people that have traded in this Forex market. The story is not good. Maybe you are one of them, but the story is about to change. There's always a time in a man's life that makes the difference in everything that he does. So welcome to the Forex Algo trading. And mind you, please, I want to make you understand, there's in every Forex trading, we always like to make this disclaimer. And the disclaimer is simply that past performance does not guarantee future results. That profit was made yesterday does not guarantee that profit will be made today. That we did 10% yesterday is not a guarantee that we do 10% today. It carries its own level of risk, just like every other business. Please, it is not a Ponzi scheme. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The earlier you understand that, the better for you and for everyone, all right? So that is that. So let's look at, when we are talking about this, we are looking at the industry, the Forex industry. The Forex market is the biggest market in the world. It trades about $7.7 trillion on daily basis. Please, let me see, is my screen? Please, can you see my screen, please? Oh, okay, say no. Wow, what happened? Okay, just a minute. I don't know what I actually pressed here. Okay, sorry, please. Sorry, I don't know what. I think there's something that I'm doing. Okay, here. Yeah, I guess it's visible now. Can you see it now? Okay. All right. Okay, thank you very much. Now, guys, the Forex market, $7.3 trillion on daily basis. Please, I want you to just look at something. A business where you deal with money. Everybody is looking for money, right? Now, this business now deals with money. I think that should be one place that you want to be. Where I don't need to sell any other product. What I want to buy and sell is money itself. They say flow in the direction where money flows. So with this, everyone now, as of today, as I speak with you, it is a market that is traded 24 hours every day. In fact, 6 days a week. So at times people say it's 5 days a week, 6 days a day. I tell you it trades every day, because you know why I tell people that it trades every day? If anytime the market opens on Monday or Sunday night, you will always see something like a market gap. What happened to the gap? Now spirit trade there. It's because the market is moving. Money is moving every day. So, and it's convenient, flexible leverage, and you have very low entry points. If there's any business that you will do with very low capital, then Forex is one business that you can do. Now, how to choose the right trading method? We have different methods. And for you that you are listening to me, you don't need to say you want to. Before now, I will tell you, if you don't learn it, you can't trade it. But for now, we have different kinds. We have personal trading, where you get to understand, support. If you are using market maker strategy, you are using ICT method, different kind of methods of trading that people have developed. Now, that you want to go manual trading. But there are some people that do what we call copy trade. I don't want, when we are growing up, they say, in school, they say, don't copy somebody. Yeah, that was when you were small. Now, if you want to make it in life, you must learn to copy. But make sure you copy right. That's why they say copyright. Make sure you copy the right way. Make sure you copy the right person. So in Forex, if you are not trading, you can copy somebody's trade, all right? Yes, it does. So we have, then the next one is the one we call AI analysis system. When you talk of the AI, this is the level in which we are. You see, when you are trying to trade with this with your brain, your small, I call it small brain, because it depends on how can you say you want to match up with a machine? You can't match up. You are trading against a computerized system. Do you think it's one of the man that is sitting down at the other end doing the trading? No, it's a machine. It's a system. So what can match a system? A system will match a system. In those days, we have people sitting down behind the desks. There's a big trading room. You have the traders there. But now it is the world of AI. AI does the analysis. And the beautiful thing is this, our AI, that's where this meeting that you've come to, our focus is on using a particular AI that works very well. You heard that young man said he passed the trade. How did he pass? He used AI. Now, the AI that we have can work on both MT4, MT5. So whether you want to, and on the system, we have the MT4, MT5 on the system. Whichever one you want to do, it's okay. But the thing is this, you will be guided. Don't say, I don't have time. I was talking to somebody today, and when I say, Mr. Shola, I don't really have time. I say, I'm not saying go and dump your job. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to beg of you, especially those of us that are working, if you are working somewhere, please, you want to help yourself in this way. Those of us that are working, you want to help yourself. This person is working in an organization, and for the past how many years, she's always complaining about this work. And I said, can you have time, even if it's 1 hour, to look at the market in a day? He said, Mr. Shola, I am always very, very busy. I said, you are busy working for today. The salary you are working for will take care of today. What is going to take care of your future? Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not taken time to pay attention to trading, see, whatsoever you are doing today will take care of today. But you must plan for your future. And the future is in AI. And one platform that you can use the AI is the Forex system. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have opportunity to be in this group, you are welcome. Please pay attention. And I will tell you where you need to act and where you need to just keep to watch, all right? I will get there. Now, these are the powerful EAs that we have. We have the Hedge Pro. It's quite a combination. It's not just one. We have the Hedge Pro. We have the Hedge Calculator. We have the BC Scar Pro. We have the Price Hunter. These are indicators. We have the robot. There's a preset one for you. Now, this is the array of soldiers. These are the combination of armies that will be working for you, guys. This is the combination of army that will be working for you. Now, just before I leave this place, because I need to explain something here, because this is where a lot of us say, am I sure I can cope and things. Now, listen, please. Please pay attention here. I have been in this market for quite a number of years. If I'm to put plus or minus, I don't know how many years. If I say since 2006, I started trading the stock and the derivative market, the S&P 500, and so on. Can we have the picture of the product? Don't worry. It's not picture you even need. You need the main product. Now, in my years of trading, I have come across different things. Do you understand? I have come across different opportunities and things. And I have come across people selling EA. I've had cost to buy an EA for $4,000. 4,000 US dollars, an EA. That EA ended up blowing my account. That EA ended up blowing some of you that you are new, you don't understand blowing. You don't understand when they say blow. Blow means it emptied your account. For you to buy an EA for $4,000, you can imagine the amount of money you are using it to trade. You know, there are some experiences that you experience in this market that when you now see some opportunities, they look too real, too good to be real, too good. As a matter of fact, when Mr. Folani was calling me on this platform, you know, it's like, which one have we not seen before? What is this man talking about? Which one have we not seen? You know, that kind of attitude. How much have I spent on EA? So this is the first time, it's very rare that you see somebody, we create an EA and we stand behind the EA and we form a group and tell you that, oh yeah, go and be trading, I will be supporting you. And the person will be calling meetings every time to see how to help people on the EA. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a rare opportunity. No wonder the testimonials we are having on this EA. Ladies and gentlemen, we have this Mr. Folani on the call. I love to celebrate greatness. Please, let's put 555. Let's put 555 Mr. Folani, or just type great man, whichever one. Let's celebrate this great guy. He's done great things, great opportunities for guys there. I tell you, generations are yet to know the impact of what this man is done. He too has not known the impact yet. It's when people are building their houses and saying, Mr. Folani, thank you, I built my house and things. Okay, all right, thank you very much. So these are the EAs that you are going to be using, and the builder, the person that built it, is even in the house, in the group. That's why we are celebrating him. So if this is your first time, please just take notes of that. Now, is this EA going to trade only Forex and things? No. I want to surprise you. It will trade gold. We have settings for gold. We have settings for commodities. When you say commodities, you are talking of you want to trade rice, cocoa, soya beans, oil and gas. It is all of these things are on the platform. So Forex trading is not, when you say trading is not just about US, GBP, USD, Euro, USD. No, a lot of things happen in that space. So look at the results that we have. I would have loved to go on the live account, but because of my time, look at the results. Many times I have seen traders, when we ask traders, can you show me your trading results? You hear them, they will say, I've just started trading, something happened. The beauty, why I love, especially Mr. Folani, I had to tell him one day, I said, come, you are not a marketer, there's something you need to adjust. He said, look, Shola, let us present it the way it is. Anybody that follows us the way we say it, that person cannot blow account. And I understood with him. Just look at the results from May last year. Can you imagine? If you had put your money in the stock market, let's say you put your money in the Nigerian stock market, do you think Nigerian stock market did about 22% last year? That's the mutual funds did about 22%. Now look at this. This is May. If you add this up alone, can you imagine what the kind of return that your money has made? I'm going to show you one table. We call it the compounding table. I think I showed you the last time, but if I have time, I'm going to get there. So this is what this EA can do for you. And it's not a $4,000 EA, just like the one that blew my account. I get it. Look at the result. The result does not lie. You see, when you see this FX Blue is an independent body. Do you understand? So they measure the performance of traders, of EAs and tools. Now, please, this is where I want you to see, and this is where I just want you to pay attention here. Look at this table: 30%, 12.5%, 12.5%, 12.5%, level 1 to 5. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm going. Let me stop something here and explain something. See, ladies and gentlemen, please, I want you to take this from someone who has experienced the highs and the lows in this market. I won't say I've made all the money, but I've made good money and I've lost good money. And I have found out that, and I'm a trainer, I'm a coach. I have found out that the students that I coach, the ones that work in places where they pay them big money, where they earn big income, they last more in the market than the people that are, they be asking you, can I fund with 100? Will $100 be okay? Can I fund with 200? With $200 will be okay? Meanwhile, these other guys, they can put in $5,000, $10,000. They are not even thinking about it. And they are not worried because that is not the money that they will use to pay school fees. That's not the money they will use to pay rent. That money is set aside for investment. And in most cases, where anything goes wrong, those guys will just say, well, Shola, it happens there. Yeah, Shola, it happens. That's the business. But you see the $100 person, with due respect to, I'm just talking sarcastically so that you will be able to, you will think. I'm in that category, so don't think it. So those $100 200 persons, those are the ones that my $200, this is how you people took my money from me, on top how much now? $200. Now, I have decided that for anyone that we trade, that I want to teach this Forex market, you must have a solid means of income. Do you notice when you are filling, for those of you that have filled the Axie Select account, when you are filling, there's a place they ask you that what is your income? At a point, they ask you that what is your net asset? They want you that you are earning good income. Don't come and say you want to be making income from Forex. Forex is a long-term thing. Do you understand? So what we have now looked at is that how can you make money in this Forex business even if you funded with $500? Don't expect to solve your life problem with this $500, sir. Don't expect to solve your life situation with $500. So what the owner of this EA now said, okay, if I sell this EA to you for $500, mind you, some people bought this EA for $500. You must know, I'm sure some of you know that. But he now said that instead of selling this, I'm not just about making money for myself. I want to help as many persons. And I don't want to keep the money. Can I see life change? So he said, do you know how much it is to do this EA? You'll be surprised. I'm sure those of you that are new, can you just guess the price? Get this EA that is helping people to pass profit. Guess, how much do you think this EA will cost? Ladies and gentlemen, because of our time, the EA is just $30 every month. $30. And you know the beauty of this thing is this. The $30 is not even going to the owner of the EA. The owner of the EA is saying, the management is saying that if you invite somebody to come into this program and use this EA, whether for Axie Select or any other company, whether prop firm or broker, HFX, FXTM, XM, any broker, it works on all brokers platform. He said once they buy it and they begin to subscribe, he said you will earn 30% of whatsoever that person's paid. That means if the person paid $30, 30% of $30, that is about $9. That means you are going to earn that $9. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to come to this before I go on. Please, we are all on the call here. We are here to empower ourselves. And some of you that don't know, I wish you to know. When you are trading, a time will come, no matter how consistent you are in profit making, a time will come, something somewhere will prick your head. Something somewhere, and you tweak one thing because maybe there's an emergency money that you need somewhere. Oh, if I put this thing, maybe if I increase the setup, and boom, something begins to happen. But what will help you is this. If you are able to generate another stream of income, if you take me to a buffet, I'm not just going to eat only rice. They say you eat on a buffet table, there's rice, there's amala, there's ukwobi, there's this, every food is there. Then I will now only take rice. No, when you choose to trade alone, you are taking just a fraction of what is in the industry. I said it one time, I said, in this industry we have the people that are the professional traders and the business owners. You know, illustration, you can be a doctor. You are a professional, a doctor in the medical industry, a professional doctor. I can be in the medical industry as a businessman, and I'm not a doctor. Do you get it? I can be in the medical industry. I'm not a doctor. But do you know what? Most of the time, those people that are the business people, they make more money than the professionals. I used to be in a company I used to be in a Forex company then. And what we do there was, you know, we market, we talk about the softwares and things. As at that time, it got to a point I was earning close to $10,000 every month. Even the people that were trading, they are trading every time. They don't earn that kind of money. But me as a business person, so what I do is this. When I make money from the business side, I take the money that I make from the business side and I put in my trading account. Please, I want you to start thinking as a business person now. You make money from the business and use it to fund your account. You can use it to increase. Look at, when I'm going to get to a place now. In Axie, you have $500. When you pass, the company funds you with $5,000. Before you can go to the next level, your account has to become $1,000. I'm going to explain it. Now, some people will now start looking for money up and down, begging, please, Buffet, I want to add money to my trading account. You are putting yourself under pressure. Something that you will have done doing the business. Make money from the business. By the time you are passing the level, there's money that you have made from the business. You use it to fund your account. Oh my God! If you are getting me, if you're having an idea of what I'm saying, just type "I got it." Just type "I got it." Put "I got it." That you don't. At a point, they tell you that your balance should be $2,000 in your trading. But here we are saying that instead of you looking for money up and down to fund your account, this business, and what is the business? Showing other people to use this tool. And the system is going to pay you. Guys, I want you to know something. You see, okay, Chris said I got the concept a long time. Thumbs up. Now, guys, please, see, at times I don't always care about this trading side. This is the one that matters to me. You know why? You see, when it comes to how to trade, they say leave market for traders. Leave for Larry to be breaking his head on how to do the EA and the EA work. Leave that to him. That is his own work. Now, you now take that tool and put in your trading account. The tool will do its own work. Then what is your own work? Your own work will now be to showcase the results. You can show your friends the results of what the EA is doing. Come on, oh boy, I just joined this. I don't need to trade it. The system is trading for me and things. There are some of us here, we are chop and clean mouth. Chop and clean mouth. When the system is making money for you and you refuse to tell anybody, that is wickedness. Allah, that is wickedness. In this kind of economy, you will have a tool like this and only you want to keep to yourself. No. And you say, if I have the opportunity, I'm going to help a lot of people. If I have the opportunity, this one, who have you helped? How many persons, you are on this call now. Let me ask you, how many persons have you shown this tool? We need more people to be liberated. We need more people to be empowered with this tool. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to focus on this aspect. How do we get more people to be liberated? How do we get more people to use our tool? And I tell you, for each level, you get rewarded. You will get rewarded. The other time, I don't have the time now, I will have shown you how much people are going to make. So here, what is it? $30 monthly. Those that want to pay 150, if they want to pay yearly, they pay 150. Imagine you bring in somebody, the person wants to pay for a year. You get 30% of this, 30% of $150, that's $45. You get 3 or 4 persons, get 10 persons who wants to get 10 persons who are doing the yearly. I'm sure most of your friends will do the yearly. $150 is a small thing when you know the thing is working. 10 people that does this, $45 times 10, that's $450. Haven't you upgraded to the next account? You've upgraded your account. Or you get people that will pay the life access. Guys, there is money in this game, in this place. All right. So you subscribe and stay. These are the earning potentials. We have unlimited earning potential. The more people you refer, and as they too they refer their friends, the more you earn in this business. So now, for those of us that are joining us for the first time, okay, quickly, let me just show you. These are wonderful guys that have started you. These ones, okay, these people, they sharp, eh? These are people that they don't do analysis that leads to paralysis. The moment they told them this, boom, they jumped on it. I'm telling you, this Mr. Adilola, this guy is one of our guys. He's killing this market. He's chopping from the business and the trading aspect. He has qualified, almost getting to his $20,000. We have Mr. Ime. Mr. Ime, I'm not sure, maybe he's on the call. This gentleman, I'm not sure he has traded before. Using this tool, is very soon he has qualified for the 20,000. I'm sure any time from now you'll be funded 100,000. So don't think this is story. Look at people that we're talking about here. Look at. Is it Temitope you want to talk about? This guy knows nothing in trading. Got to this platform, began to do great things. Look at. It's not. These are very busy executives. I'm telling you. Yinka is there. These are busy guys, but they use the power of the EA. And look at Mr. David. Even the owner of the EA is not in the he too is using the store. So guys, these are the opportunities that we have. So let us quickly just go check something. I want you to the video that I was showing the other time, for those of you that want to check it out, if you go to my YouTube channel on at Success and Harmony 247, that's it on the screen there, at Success and Harmony 247. You can go watch. There are other things there apart from Forex trading, but let's go to this one. Is Forex we are talking about. We want to look, okay, I think I still have some ample time here. We want to look at the Axie account. Now, under the Axie platform, you see, traders, a lot of us don't have so much money to trade with. That's why you see people coming, they say they want to fund their account with $200. They want to fund their account with this thing. Now, please, I hope you saw the thing that I did. I'm purposely logging in so that you can see it. You see the state. This is the platform of our broker. You see, it is the kind of broker you use is very, very important. Broker can make you, broker can mail you. So here, when you come here, you can click on, you come to this place, can you see? I'm clicking on our edge. On our edge. Do you see? Then I click on Axie. Can you see this? Axie Select. They put new there, all right? I click on that. So this, in that place, you are going to read about the whole of Axie Select. But I want to implore you, please, make sure you contact the person that invited you to send you the link of Axie Select, because in our group, we are working together. So it's good that it's that person that sends you the link. Send a message to the person tonight that please send me the link to this Axie Select so that you'll be able to, we can coordinate ourselves inside the group. If you are not in the group, I'm sorry, a lot of things, you will miss a lot of things, all right? So please, I don't want you to miss. Don't go and type axie.com and say you go and join there. You will be on your own. You'll be on your own, all right? So so when they send you that link, when you open it, you're going to see something like this. where you can get funded and things. Let me quickly check this. So just read up all these stores. I'm not going to take them. That's why I showed you how I got there. I just want to bring you to this table there. Now, right on this table, when you fund your account, minimum $500, and you trade with the EA. Guys, you don't, as I told you, it's the EA that will be doing this thing for you. The EA over the period, without overrating our EA and things, we've seen this EA achieve this result sometimes in 14 days, sometimes less than that. But here, let's just work with something reasonable. I don't want to tell you, oh, the EA will double your, no. The EA will work at its own pace. There are times that it will take very long time to qualify, sometimes depending on the market situation. Anybody that meets you and tells you, if you do this, we are going to give you 20% returns on investment, 20% every month. Just run, because are they the owners of the market? So here, $500, there's a system that monitors your score in this place. When you pass, now you say your profit target is 5%. Profit target is 5%. But from Monday, I think, yes, it's going to be 7%. Maybe as the time you'll be listening to those of you that have been watching the recording, it's going to be 7%. Once you trade, the EA trades for you and makes 7% of this money. You trade, you have minimum trading days of 30 days, and you will have taken about 20 trades. Trust that EA will take more than 20 trades for you, that's sure. Then you should not lose below, you must not make losses more than 10%. I've been to some prop firms in some prop organizations that will tell you, oh, if you lose 5% in a day, the account is gone. But in this one says 10% of your initial capital. Man, this is good. This is good. And the money you pay is not gone. If you make this loss, they will say you've lost this, your 500. You can go and withdraw your money back. You can leave it. You can increase it. Now, once you make that first passing, you can go. The next thing is the company is going to upgrade you. At this first level, you made the profit. They gave you a $5,000 account. They are not going to share profit with you. But on the second one, where you have maybe $10,000, if it's $1,000 you upgraded your money to, they will fund you with $10,000. If it's $2,000, they will fund you with $20,000. So you see the reason why that business is important, so that you can use it to fund your account and get proper money, all right? So with that, anytime you make profit, some of our members are already enjoying this. Any profit you make on top of this, let's say 10%. Let's say this person makes 10% profit on 20,000. 10% of 20,000, that is 2,000. That means 2,000, 4% of 2,000, that's about $800. So you have your own trading fund there. The profit you make is yours. And this one, they will still pay you again, guys. And so on and so forth. As you make the money, you get graduated into until you are able. That young boy that you saw in that call is now funded 500,000. One of our own members here, I think the person is on the call. This person is now being funded about $100,000. As a matter of fact, he's the one leading the system. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, we have a tool for those of you that, oh, I'm so excited about this. When I get excited, I don't know, I will. You see, those of you that are in our group, Mr. Folari posted something. You know, there's a way they rate people that are trading on the platform. And for the first time, we saw the person, our EA, because it's not the person now, it's our EA. This EA that we are telling you about, it ranked number 3. Then, within how many days? Boom, it ranked number 1. So you have an EA. That means that EA now is better than the one that boy used. So that guy, boy that used that got that $500, 500,000. I don't know that you are thinking like that. That means this EA is better than that EA that young man used, and you are here for it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great, I say the right time and the right opportunity. I said the race is not for the swift, the battle is not for the strong, neither bread for the wise, but time and chance, time and opportunity. This is the right time. Axie and Algo Trade is the opportunity for you. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so glad. I'm sure if you have not registered, if you have not yet funded your account, I want you to get back to the person that invited you and tell the person, okay, I want to fund my account. If you are not having money to fund your account now, let the person give you the link to the Algo Pro so that you can even start marketing. You can post it on your WhatsApp, post it on your Facebook. There are a lot of people that are trading Forex, and they are looking for tools. If you put some marketing and things, you put it, I'm telling you, people will start calling you. How does this thing work? How does this thing work? So it's good you begin with that. You will use that to generate your money. You use it to generate the money that you will use to fund your account. Don't just sit there and say, I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money. When you have a tool that can help you. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big thank you for the great privilege and opportunity. So no, the EA can trade on any account, not just Axie. You can use it. That's why I'm saying you can post it on any platform. Anybody can use it on any platform. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to close this meeting without I don't want to close this meeting without let us hear from the man God is using to help a lot of us to be successful. For the first time in most person's life, most people are this is the first time some people are really making profit using this platform. So ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate Mr. Sorry, I want to transfer the host back to him. Okay, Mr. Folari, can you unmute your mic, please? Can you unmute your mic, please?
The host. Right. Okay. The host is not allowed to possible. Okay. All right, Mr. Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Mr. Shola Popola. In fact, I learned some things from your. Every time you, you see, I have a YouTube channel that I use for my members, and for the past, I think 1 month or close to 2 months, I always go to your YouTube channel to watch many things that is changing my life. And you see, if people that are here, I'm sorry, the way I used to talk, I'm an aggressive talker, and I don't have passion when I'm talking. I don't have emotion when I'm talking. So the most sensitive people are among us are South Africans. When you make noise, when you are talking, South Africans believe you are fighting them. So they are very emotional people. And that is why
I'm not being aggressive, right?
No, you are not being aggressive. Many of them run away from me. And I used to tell them the way I talk is the way I talk, okay? Because my South Africa like pampering. You pamper them to go to school. You pamper them to go to work. But you know, Nigeria, we are a different breed of human being. We are very tough human being. So, what I want to say, Mr. Shola, I really thank you. And tonight, I even learned some things again, which I'm going to share on this platform. When I'm a statistician. I did my first degree in maths and statistics, and I did my honors in statistics. So I'm a statistician. And if you look at statistics, is the 5 best subject in the world, number 5 in the world. And why is it 5th number? I mean, why is it 5th in the world? Is because that is what developed world normally depend on to develop their country, to make their country to be okay. So, but let me tell you, when I did my statistics about something that is very important about this life. If you are here tonight, I may not be able to share this again next time. But if you are here tonight, please open your ear and open your ear very well. Most of my lecturers die poor. People that are my first degree lecturers, most of them die poor. Those ones that are still alive by now, I think I'm doing better than them. And what I realized somebody said is that intelligent people, they always die poor. I thank God Almighty because I will have died poor also. And I will tell you the reason why I said this. You don't know that, Mr. Shola, some people will be listening to you and they don't pick points. Maybe because of our age. I'm 54 years old and I've seen life. I've passed through life. So when people talk, I listen and I'm jotting down things because I'm a student of life. I'm a student of life. If you are still a young guy, 25, 30, you don't know life. You may not understand what we are saying. But if you are age of 30, 20, and you are still in this group, please take it serious because what we have missed in life, we can't go back. We can't turn back the hand of the clock. You have opportunity to quickly key into it and correct the mistake we have made in life. So now, let me tell you why I'm saying this. Most of my lecturers die poor. And I nearly died poor in my life too. And I'll tell you, in 2020, I met a lady in South Africa. I will never forget this lady in my entire life. Her name is called Tandy. When Tandy met me, I'm using a very, very useless car. Very useless car. And why? I have this robot, but I don't know how to convert it to money. No matter how intelligent you are in life, if you cannot convert your skill and your intelligence to money, forget it. You are living a wasted life. Because you won't be able to raise a child, you won't be able to raise your family, you won't be able to enjoy life. What I'm telling you tonight is very, very vital information that at a point in time in my life, I always cry every night. That I'm very intelligent, I'm very superpower. God endowed me with a lot of talent, but why am I living like a pauper? And when my questioning want to be answered, God pushed this lady to me, and this lady asked me, "You are very intelligent, but why are you poor?" And she registered me with a group in South Africa. They call them inner circle, or what do they call them? It's been 2 years I didn't go to that group again. They call it inner circle or so. So I used to go to that class, and it's a white full class. That is when they told me that selling is life. No matter the skill you have, no matter intelligence you have, if you cannot sell, forget it. You are going to die poor. If you cannot put your whatever talent, whatever skill you have in front of people that need it, you are wasted talent. And it's a community of white South African. She's the one that let me have access to that group. I paid 15,000 Rand for 2 days classes, how to sell. Imagine, a graduate in mathematics, honors in statistics, but I don't know, I don't have money. I'm so poor. So I paid that 15,000 and I went for the class. I paid for my hotel because I can't drive from the place to my house, and I spent 2 days there. That is when my life starts transforming. The robot is in my hard drive since 2008, and I've never made $1 profit from it. But in 2022, when that lady changed my life by showing me things, taking me to inner circle, I paid for the classes of selling. The first 6 months, I make $60,000. The first time, the huge profit I ever make in my entire life. That's the first time. You know, when we are talking here, we are not talking. I don't want people like when I'm talking, I'm not arrogant, but I don't want people who are not matured. I want adults around me. If there are young people around me, I want young people that they want to change their life. They don't want to make the mistake that we have made. This is not the time that when I see 3 million rand, $1 million, I have to be jubilating. I'm supposed to make this money long ago. The way God endowed me with knowledge. But I can't convert it to cash. I can't convert my skill to money. And this is what we are giving to you on a platter of gold tonight. Mr. Shola that presented this night, I know how much he has lost to FTMO. Registering from time to time, he will be crying to me, Mr. Folarin, what can I do? FTMO, I buy a account of Profem of 100,000. I buy of $500. I did this. Now, Access Select has came, and immediately came, I introduced it to all my friends. And look, some people are full of what we call excuses. The choice is yours. Your destiny is in your hand, guys. Your destiny is in your hand. It depends on how you take it. I'll talk to my Nigerian brother on the platform. When I see people blaming Tinubu in Nigeria, that things as hard, he made Nigeria hard. You are fooling yourself. Always remember that Tinubu has been agitating to get to that presidential seat for more than 30 years. If you go and look at when MKO Abiola was campaigning, Tinubu is a young boy behind him, follow him all about. All of them went to the presidential seat. Your governor, your minister, is their ambition. If you are not putting your destiny in the hand of somebody else's ambition that suffered 20 years before he became a president, you are deceiving yourself. Your life is in your hand. Your destiny is in your hand. Your ambition will determine your life. Not Tinubu will determine your life. Not even your pastor will determine your life. Somebody that is a pastor today, he can tell you that anybody call him, but it's in his ambition to become a pastor. So if you're not waiting for him to bless you before you make money or before you transform your life, you are deceiving your life. Face your life, work on yourself, and hold your destiny by your hand. That's why they say every one of us will carry our cross. Your pastor will not help you carry your cross because he has his own heavy cross to carry also. So this night, I really appreciate what happened. But before we go, I want to say something. By end of this month, by special grace of God, we are going to have 3 upgraded robots, which I'm working so hard on. And this robot will take care of the people that have lower capital. Because I know $500 is not an easy money in South Africa. And it's not an easy money at all in Nigeria.
Even in Nigeria.
And it's not an easy money in Uganda, in Kenya. You see, guys, why are we depending on Western world? It's because we are so selfish as an individual in Black Africa. And I normally tell God to help me not to be selfish. I just want to help people with information and help them in the little way I can help them, if they can only embrace it. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to launch the software by God's grace by end of the month. Mr. Shola, can I share my screen now? Will it be possible for me to share my screen? Hello, Mr. Shola, can I share my screen?
Yeah, I'm trying to transfer the host back to you.
All right.
Okay, you are now the host.
All right. So let me quickly transfer to share something with all my members. Okay. Let me see if I can be lucky. Okay. This is
even person in UK, Mr. Cruz in UK is complaining.
Complaining of what?
You say $500 is 430 pounds in the UK. It
Yes,
is not easy money
I know
here.
it's not easy. That's why I normally look at anybody in Africa that is running to UK, running to. I have a lot of friends there. They want to even come back. I'm enjoying my Africa, and I love my Africa. If I have $500 in South Africa, I'm going to be a like king. I mean, like let me say, like somebody chief. But when I come to Nigeria with $500, I'll become a king. You know. So $500 cannot even sustain them for 2 months, 3 months over there. And somebody is selling house and property in Nigeria and going there. I just look at, I want to go there to go and greet some of my friends there, spend 1 week and come back. Africa is the best. It's my home. And in Africa, I would die. No matter what. I'm proud to be a black man. So I don't know, maybe you are seeing my screen, guys. Please, if you see my screen, let me know.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah. This indicator is going to come out by end of this month. For some people who want to trade small capital, and there will be accomplished EA that will come with it. We are going to do this in the class. I will take a serious class training for it, so that if you have like $100, you don't want to change your money to cent, and you want to trade it like $100, this is a very powerful currency strength indicator that will tell you what to do, and it's good for scalping. I use it for several years before I keep it in my archive. I've put it back, and the reason why I just put it in my archive is I don't have a robot that I can integrate with it. But now I've already developed the robot. I'm testing it, so we are going to start using it starting from next month. I mean month end. Let me tell you, once you have a license on my platform, you are going to use every new thing that you are seeing there. You are not going to be buying. Like this one, if you have a license on Forex Algo Tech platform, one is ready, just go there and download it and start using it. No, that you are not paying for anything. I'm a trader and I'm a software developer. I don't depend on what I'm selling to you. The only problem is I can't sell it for free because of my time. Tomorrow is Friday. I will tell you for the whole week, I don't think I've slept for 10 hours. And I know Mr. Olushola to Mr. Shola that presented for us. Most time, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., I will be the one telling him, Mr. Shola, you are still awake, go and sleep. Now I will say, what are you doing to go, go and sleep, you know? So, yeah, because most time I work at night. So I work midnight when everybody is sleeping. That's when the spirit of program talks to me, you know? So this program is going to come out. And another program is going to come out also. I don't know, maybe I can show you that one quickly also. So that you can prepare yourself. If you are on if you are on this platform, don't think that it's like a platform that you've been knowing before. If you find yourself on this platform, just count yourself a very lucky person. Let me see. This one is I don't know, maybe you saw this my chat now. This one is called what do you call it? I name it Crypto Rocket. Crypto Rocket is a software that will be trading crypto. Because the reason why I created this robot is because some of us we don't have enough capital to trade deriv. And deriv is super crazy. They manipulated everything. They charge you crazily every night. So somebody who have small capital, we cannot throw them away completely. If you have $50, $100, $20, we should be able to fix you into something to do. So this crypto rocket is going to come out by end of the month also. You can see I'm testing it. I've been testing it for almost let me see the day I funded it. It's a demo account. I'm going to show you because you know I don't lie. So I've started testing it with just $1,000, but you don't need $1,000 because I just use that on the 26th of 4th of April, let's say about 9 days ago. And in 9 days ago, it has given me 9th of March, yeah, and today is 13th. So about it has given me $254 profit on $1,000. You can trade crypto on MT4 on MT5. And before I launch it, I promise you guys, I'm going to get a crypto MT4, MT5 reliable broker that you are going to trade on. The reason why I'm doing this is because Crypto is trading Saturday and Sunday like the reef. Some broker called me that their crypto is trading Saturday and Sunday like the reef. Because many people want to trade on the reef because they want to quickly get money because of Saturday and Sunday trading. We know normal Forex doesn't trade on Saturday and Sunday, but crypto trade Saturday and Sunday. I've got 2 brokers and I'm going to sign up with them. I'm testing this robot on HFM Nigeria now, and it's doing wonderful because in 9 days, it has made $254 on $1,000. And I will teach what kind of crypto you can trade with $20, with $50, because I'm trading Bitcoin and I'm trading Bitcoin Cash and I'm trading Ethereum. If you don't have a big money, you don't need to trade all these assets. You can go and trade other USD. You can trade XRP USD. You can trade Solidity with Sol something with USD. You see why I'm doing all this? Because if I can turn the hand of clock back in my life and start again, I will do better than what I'm doing now. So now I want to carry everybody all along with myself, and we start having investment with our life. Because let me tell you guys, if you have 40 years, 45 years, 50 years, 60 years, 70 years, you don't, any money you are working for now is a child play money. You need more money, times 3 money, times 3 of the money you need when you are young. You need times 3 of it at old age. Old age need money more than when you are young. So start working on your old age now. Start working on your old age now. Get the skill, get the knowledge. Because if I thought you are working in a Shell or Mobi, remember that most of our uncles, most of our fathers worked there. Today they have retired. And now the funniest thing is they retire in the old house they built that time. They cannot even compete with people that are building mansions now. So one generation will pass, another generation will come. But when you are at old age, you don't look in the hand of your kids, your wife, to look for food. Your old age will be better. This is, you can see that this class is going beyond normal class because it's become a membership class. I want to turn everybody on my platform to become my family, not as a stranger, no matter where you come from, either from Australia, either from Canada. I have Canada clients who are white. A white lady called me from Australia yesterday, buy my robot, set it up. Everybody are my family. So I'm not like other people that I will sell something to you, I will run away. No, I'm selling and I'm supporting it and I'm grooming you how to use it. Having said this, I thank you for your time. Your time is so precious to me. And we're going to call it off tonight. Please think about everything you have learned today with us. And on Friday, we normally have our practical class on Friday on Forex. It doesn't change. On Friday, I'm going to ask. Yeah, somebody says Solana. Thank you very much, Mr. Pele. Mr. Pele, yeah, it's Solana USD. Thank you very much. So we are going to continue our practical class on Friday on Forex, and on Sunday on Deriv. But now, I think coming by April, we are going to start another class on crypto, so that we now have Forex class, Deriv class, crypto class. I dedicated my life for everyone that bought my product. I will dedicate my life for all persons that patronize my product to be successful. And don't be surprised. Within 1 month, within 2 months, we joined Axie. Axie changed profit policy from 5% to 7%, because in 1 month, in less than 2 months, 9 people got funded in my group. That is how dedicated we are. And it can't be scary. Even though we don't have anybody now that got 200,000, 200,000, 500,000, $1 million. But I'm going to be sure I work hard. I don't work on myself like the way I work on you people. I'll work hard that before the end of this 2025, one of us in that group, we are going to get $1 million, because I support to the maximum. If you call me midnight, I will support. You call me in the morning, I will support. You call me at night, I will support. Thank you for all of you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for trusting me, because if I thought you don't trust me, you can't waste your time on my platform like this. I really appreciate you. Thank you for all the partners, Mr. Adelola from US, Mr. Popola from Nigeria, and some other people that will come in future, because some people have talked to me. They want to come to present the business opportunity, what. All of you are welcome, because all of us have talent in different ways. So come and show your talent. I will put my platform for you to show your talent, and we grow up together as a family. Having said this, I will say good night to every one of us until we meet again on Friday. Thank you and good night. Bye.